Another set of questions can be when you will be asked to calculate the moments about 0. So in those questions you have to apply the different sort of a formula. The moments about zeros are denoted with small v1, v2, v3 and v4. It is known as nu, nu. So nu 1, nu 2, nu 3 and nu 4. The formula for calculating nu 1 is assumed mean plus mu 1 dash, that is the moments which is raw. So raw first moment. The formula for calculating the nu 2, that is second moment about 0, is moment 2 plus nu 1 square. The formula for calculating the nu 3 is mu 3 plus 3 nu 1 square nu 2 minus 2 nu 1 cube. And the fourth nu that can be calculated by mu 4 plus 4 nu 1 nu 3 minus 6 nu 1 square nu 2 plus 3 nu 1's power 4. So these are the formulas for calculating the moments about 0. Now let us see the practical example of this. Now in this question we have been given that first 4 moments that we have generally seen, 4 moments are calculated about the value 2. About a specific value, which number is 2, are given to you, that is 1, 2.5, 5.5 and 16. So these are the values of first 4 moments: 1, 2.5, 5.5 and 16. So these are the 4 moments given to you. Now the question arises whether these moments are the moments, central moments or the raw moments. Now the moments have been calculated from a value 2. It has not been given that this 2 is a mean. So it means it is the assumed mean. So these are the raw moments that have been given to you. We have to calculate the moments about the mean and about the 0. Let us see that. If from the question we know that these are the 4 raw moments. So if these are the raw moments, we can denote it as mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. So these 4 values are there with us. First of all, we will calculate moment from mean, that is the central moments. Now we have seen that there were 4 formulas with the help of which the raw moments can be converted into the central moments. So one by one we will apply that formula. Mu 1 was mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash is equals to 1 minus 1. So first central moment is always equal to 0. The second central moment, the formula was mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. So mu 2 dash is 2.5 and mu 1, that is 1 square, will be 1. So its answer will be 1.5. So now talking about the third central moment, the formula for third central moment was mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. So putting the formula mu 1 3 is 5.5 minus 3 mu 1 is 1 and mu 2 dash is 2.5 plus 2 mu 1 cube. Mu 1 is 1, so it is 1 cube. So solving it, it will be 5.5 minus 7.5 plus 2, that is equal to, so that will be equal to 0. Now coming to the fourth central moment, the formula for fourth central moment was mu dash 4 minus 4 mu 1 dash mu 3 dash plus 6 mu 1 square multiplied by mu 2, here it is multiply mu 2 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. So let us put these values. Mu 1 4 is 16 minus 4 mu 1 will be 4 into 1, that is 4, multiplied by mu 3 is 5.5 plus 6 mu 1 square means 1 and mu 2 dash is 2.5 minus 3 mu 1 power 4. So solving this we will get the answer 6 will be the final answer after solving this. Now we have calculated this first point, moments about the mean are there, it means central moments are there. Now with the help of these central moments we will calculate the moments about 0. Let's note these points first. So these are the central moments, these are the central moments and these are the raw moments. Now the third thing that has been asked is moment about 0 also have to be calculated. So moment about 0 are denoted with an element nu. So here first nu1, as we have seen the formula, assumed mean plus mu1 dash. Assumed mean here was 2, which was given in the question, plus mu1 dash is 1. So here we can see mu1 dash. So our first nu1 comes out to be 3. The second nu2 formula was mu2 plus nu1 square. Mu2 here is 1.5 and nu1 we have calculated 3, so square of this. So it will be 1.5 plus 9, so the answer will be 10.5. So this is second nu. The third nu's formula we have seen is mu3 plus 3 nu1 square into nu2 minus 2 nu1 cube. Now putting the values, mu3 is 0 plus 3 v1, so or nu1 is 3, so 3 square into nu2 is 10.5 minus 2 nu1 was 3 cube. So just we have put up the values. Now let us solve it. So this portion comes out to be 37.5 and this 9 into 2 18. So 37.5 minus 18, it comes out to be, this is not this calculation, this portion comes out to be 283.5 and this portion will be 27 into 2, that is 54. So when we will deduct this, so it comes out to be 229.5. So its answer has come out to be 229.5. I'm just filling the value over here, 229.5. Now nu 4, as we have seen the formula for the nu 4 is mu 4 plus 4 nu 1 nu 3 minus 6 nu 1 square nu 2 plus 3 nu 1 power 4. So we can put the values. Mu 4 is 6 over here plus 4. V1 has come out to be 3 and V3 is 229.5 minus 6 V1 square, so 3 is square and 10.5 plus 3 is power 4. So we can solve it and fourth nu will be there. So like this we can calculate the moments about 0.